Let's see how you can easily build SMS AI customer support using the power of OpenAI in the SMS channel for your own business. So here I'm in a demo account, and first of all you need to connect a phone number from Twilio for the SMS channel right here. So if you are wondering how, click on this channel option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels where you can easily choose the SMS, and you can actually easily connect the Twilio phone number as well. So if you go to the help center, you can find the SMS automation and guide on how to connect your Twilio phone number. So here you have to get a Twilio phone number right here, and then you can use your account SID and host token and simply enter those details on our platform and choose the specific phone number you are going to connect on our platform as well. So it will take just a few seconds for you to connect the specific phone number right here, and once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations through the SMS. And if you plan to use AI, then you will need to connect the API keys from any of these AI models. For example, OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, XA, DeepSeek. If you want to connect the OpenAI, then so in Help Center, OpenAI ChatGPT integration, and here you have to go to the specific link right here and simply create the secret key and simply enter those API key in our platform and connect it. That's it. So it will take just a few seconds for you to connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations through the AI Hub right here. So in the AI Hub, you can actually create and manage AI chatbots for your own business. For example, let me use one. So here let me use this one, Horizon Flow Yoga Studio. So let me open this one. So here we have all the information about that specific yoga studio. So introduction, the services they provide, and some pricing information about the classes, opening hours, frequently asked questions, and the contact information as well. So likewise, you can actually create a simple knowledge base about your own business right here and provide that for the AI as well. So when particular customers ask any sort of question, it will simply respond based on the information we have provided right here. And if you click on this option where you can set the specific model as well. So if you want to use the OpenAI, first of all you need to set the priority for the OpenAI as the first one. So let me move this up over here. So now the OpenAI is the setup as the first priority. So when a particular customer asks any sort of question, it will always try to generate a response from the OpenAI first. Only if it fails, it will go to the other models as well. And here you can even select the specific model you are planning to use as well. So let's say I want to use a GPT 5.4 mini. Alright, and here you can set the temperature, max tokens, and other things as well. Alright, and click save. So here you have to make this as the default agent as well, so that it will simply work on all these support channels, including the SMS as well. And if you want to delay these responses, you can do that as well. So by default it will immediately try to generate a response, but if you go to settings, general, bot replay delay, you can set how long the bot waits before replying after the user's last message. If user send another message, the timer resets and messages are queued into a single response as well. So here you can set a specific delay time as you wish as well. So here I'm not going to do that, but you can set a specific delay time right here as well. Alright, so now let's test how this actually works. So here this is the specific business information right here. So let me share my phone screen over here and show you. So here I'm going to send an SMS right here asking about what services they provide and see how this actually works. What services do you provide? Alright, so here I'm sending an SMS right here. So when a particular customer send an SMS, you can actually track this through the unified inbox as well. So here if you click on this inbox, we should see the SMS came from this specific number asking about the services they provide. So here we receive a response as well. We offer all these classes, programs, and we also host workshop events, etc, etc. So here if I share my phone screen, we can find the same response we have received right here as well. Simple as that. So like this, if you ask any other question, it will simply work as well. So here let me ask about the pricing. For example, drop-in classes for a single class, it's just $20. Alright, so let me ask this and see how this actually works. Can you tell me more about the pricing for the single class? Alright, so let me send this and see what happens. So here let me go to the inbox and see right here. So it says a single class drop-in class is 20. If you'd like, I can also share our membership and private session pricing as well. Simple as that. So it simply respond to us based on the information we have provided right here. So you can find the SMS we have received in the mobile phone as well. All right, and from here also agent can anytime jump in and talk with the customers as well. For example, if I send a message right here from this unified inbox as an agent, so let me send some random messages, the chatbot will be posted right there and the customer will receive that message as well. So here the customer is receiving the message right here as well. Simple as that. So that's a quick video how you can actually build an SMS AI customer support for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.